it in a morning session. We'll do it. Okay. The first one is we'll try to cover what it is. So far we covered how to create a variables, what are the operators, how to work with ideally kind of stuff, right? Now here it is, conditional statements, conditions. If condition satisfied, do like this. What is this condition statements? Okay. It is if else, else if kind of stuff. Thing is, if condition satisfied, do like this. That is for the conditions. Okay. So it is not loops. Ifs are not loops. Okay. If is condition. If condition. Okay. So here it is. We have to go through the flow charts. Okay. Okay. So different symbolic symbols are there. So we'll try. Guys, if I do some mistake, also don't worry. Why? Because of I am not a programmer, and as well as I am not a trainer for programming. I learn programming, that to only teaching how to Python related kind of stuff. Okay, so you can write this thing any manner. So you can write any manner or any box. You can take it. Okay. Okay. The starting, whether you put this one or not, we can see it is. If you don't put this one also, no problem. This is it's not a big deal. Okay, this is the if statement, only if part statement. If statement. What is this if statement? First, if this condition, I put a condition. If this condition satisfied, if condition satisfied means if condition is true. You have seen Boolean, right? So like when you are comparing or like that, so that if condition is true, execute this code and exit and exit. Okay. If condition is false, exit. Condition is true. If this condition satisfied, execute this a code or a block of code or a command or anything, and then exit. If condition is not satisfied, exit. Okay. So this is purely depends upon the condition satisfied. We can directly do in our ideally we can work on it. Okay. Otherwise, why it is open or not open? Yeah. You can try it like this also, no problem. If okay, if 10 is there, first of all, if you want to give us something like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, I put a condition if a is greater than b, a is greater than b colon print a is greater than b Nothing is displaying. Why? Because of values are different. So again, I'm changing b is equal to 5. Okay, same condition. If a is greater than b, int a is greater than b, a is greater than b. Point is, if you are executing like this, you cannot write a big programming kind of stuff. Everything is become a one part of commands only, not as a program you can't able to see. So you can either choose Jupyter, or you can use ideally or ideally file or PyChar or a VS Code, like that. You can do it. I'm trying to show you these things from here. Go to file. You can create a new file or open the existing file. I will show you how to create a new file also. Click on new file, guys. Simple. File, new file. It is untitled. Better to save first. Okay. Save. When you put a save, the location is different. Please change the location. Don't do blindly. Don't do blindly. Change the location. Either you put it in a desktop or in a specific location. I am putting in E drive. I have my own projects folder is there. So I'm going to my projects folder. Why to projects folder? Yeah, I have this B17 all files folder is there now. So here it is. Okay. I will put my demo.py. Okay. So I'm saving in here batch 17 where I put all the data, E drive batch 17. So you have to save somewhere where in a proper directory, not somewhere in a programming files kind of stuff. Okay. So in this one also we can do it. Same program I will write. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. If A is greater than B, range. You can put A is greater than. Yes, in Python there is so many things are there. So save it, run a module. See it is output is game. Same I am changing. B is 30, A is 10. Save it, run it. F5. It is not displaying any output. It is just a empty space. Okay. Understand if statement?
Yes, sir.
This is only if statement. Same if statement only if else. If this condition not satisfied and it is not doing anything, it is exiting. Instead of that, same diagram, we'll use it like this. It's the same diagram only, but if the condition is satisfied, do this job, right? If condition not satisfied, then what to do? So I will tell, if this condition is not satisfied, do this job, execute this code, do this job. So this is what we are saying, else. This is what we can say, else. What is else? Okay, if this condition satisfied, do this one, else do this one, then exit. Okay, so this part we call it as a if else. if else. Same program. Where is my original output screen? This is output screen. This is my file screen. I put else print A is not greater than B. Save it and run it. So it is A is not greater than B because A is 10, B is 30. For example, my A is 100, B is 30. So first one is just like a condition satisfied. If A is greater than B, do this job. Done. If A is not greater than B, okay. If condition not satisfied, do this job. Look at here. A is 22, B is 30. So A is not greater than B. So like this. So this is if-else statement. And moreover, I can't put all these things in the description, guys. Why? Because of these greater symbols, smaller, greater, smaller kind of stuff, we cannot put it in the descriptions. So be careful. Next, it's a two-way condition. So I put a three conditions. What is this? Three condition kind of stuff. We'll see. Of course, originally, where is this? Yeah. This is first if condition. Okay, first if condition, right? So this is if condition. If we put a if condition. If it is a true, okay, I'll put a true part down. So now I will put a true part like this. If it is a true, okay, execute this code. Execute this code. Okay, then exit. Execute this code and exit. I am doing very slowly. Okay, doing is very easy, guys. It's not a big deal. And exit. Okay, if condition is true, do like this. That is if. That is normally natural if statement. Okay, this if is not coming in natural way. It's very odd way. If in case, if this condition is false, what I have done, I put another condition. Okay, I put another condition. I put another condition. If this condition is false, okay, if this condition is false, check this condition. So this is called a else if. Else means if this is false, check this condition. Okay, if this condition is true, Okay, if this condition is true, okay, then what to do?
Execute code.
Execute. So like that, can able to put it. In a two-way condition, you can put it. Either it is like a true, like this. If this condition is true, okay, execute this code and exit. Of course, it will tell it is exit. Okay, exit is common for anything. Just once it is completed, it should exit anyway. Okay, if this condition is false, then there is a else statement. Okay, else do this stuff. So it is a little bigger look like. It is not even a bigger. It is a little extension of this one. This is only if. This is if else. If condition satisfied, do like this. If condition not satisfied, else do like this. If this is here, if condition satisfied, do like this. If condition not satisfied, check another condition. If this condition satisfied, do like this. If this condition also not satisfied, then do like this. So this is little bigger. Look like a little bigger, but so look at here. If, else if, and else. That's it only. Only three statements. This is 1, 2, 3. Same we can implement. Look at here. Else if A is smaller than B, A is less than B, print A is less than B. A is less than B. Else, if A is not less than, not greater, meaning is, what is the meaning of it? A and B are equal. Okay, it's a very simple statement. It is if this condition satisfied, if A is greater than B, then display A is greater than B. If A is not greater than B, then tell it is A is not a greater than B, or A is less than B. If A and B means two variables, two values, either greater or a smaller. If not, it is neither it is greater, not a small, means there are equal, right? So here it is, save, run it. A is less than B. A is less than B in this condition. So now B is less than A, so means A is greater than B. Now A is greater than B. Both are 22, 22. Now both are same, right? So we'll get it. A and B are equal. For example, you put a 56. 56. A and B are equal. This is 156. Now A is smaller, means A is less than B. Like this. Okay. You have to keep changing the values, then we can do it. So this is if, else if, else statement. Nested if statements also there. Nested if means one if is overlapping another if kind of stuff. Guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will stop here. Just take 5 minutes. Just understand.